Today, before I dive into the content, guys, I want to thank each and every one of you for this continuous support and also for making this 50,000 subscribers possible in such a short time period. Thank you so much, guys, and please keep supporting the channel. Your support gives me motivation to continue and create more content like this each and every day, guys. So now let's jump into the price action of Bitcoin. So on my yesterday's video, we did talk about some impulsive move that was unfolding for Bitcoin, and now since the price here is showing some sort of a weakness to continue in upward direction, what is unfolding next for Bitcoin? Is this now going to be a reversal and all the bullish scenario which we talked in my yesterday video is going to disappear? No, guys, that's not the case, because this pullback here, what we are witnessing, is absolutely normal. Because I say to you guys, any sort of a pullback, this monthly CPI line is going to act as a very, very strong support line. And not just only this monthly support line, but also if we add this moving averages, that has always played a very, very important role here, right? Because whenever the price was able to find support above this red line or this green line, which is the 50 exponential moving average and the 21 exponential moving average, whenever trend started moving in upward direction, this line here has also acted as a very, very strong support. And after that, the price has seen some impulsive move, and now we are aware around this price level of 56,000 and also around this 55,000, where this 50 exponential moving average is at, along with this 21 exponential moving average which is sitting on 55,700. we should be absolutely fine, because even if this is going to be a movement here in this manner, I strongly believe that this 50 exponential moving average along with this 21 exponential moving average and also the lower line of this monthly CPI, this lower line, the bottom CPI line, is going to act as a very, very strong support, and we are going to see some impulsive move after that. Why? Because this year is still an higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern scenario. You can see here the price here was clearly making lower highs, lower lows in a 4-hour time frame. I showed you guys yesterday. I will show you later in this video. So for now, we are aware that around this price level where this 50 exponential moving average is, 21 exponential moving average, and also the lower CPI line is at, so between this 55,700 to 55,900, we do have a very, very strong support for Bitcoin. Not just only that, if you also look at the RSI line is still above 50 level, and that is still perfectly fine, because we are aware RSI line above 50 level has led to some impulsive move, and now even if this is going to be a small pullback before price again start moving in upward direction, that should be absolutely fine, because this MACD here is still a bullish MACD cross. This doesn't happen all the time, guys. This pullback here doesn't mean we have to be shaken out unless we are not breaking below this 50 exponential and also this 21 exponential moving average. We should be absolutely fine. And let's say the price is also going to break this here 50 exponential moving average and close the candle below these moving averages. If that is going to happen, then only we are going to focus around this monthly S1 target for this May month, and in that case 48,262 is going to be our price pullback here to the downside. And why? If this moving averages along with this CPI line is not going to hold the price, why I'm actually expecting the price to see this pullback around this 48,200 is because you can see. And also, guys, I would really appreciate if you could take just 2 seconds of your time and destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. You can see here, we did talk about this distribution phase from Wyckoff that was playing out. I said to you guys, we are focusing more on upward price movement, but if you look at this here, rejection from this resistance line, we were aware, because this is exactly where the buying climax was. This was the peak area, and the same line here acted as a resistance. And that's why if this is going to be a reversal, right, if this is going to be an actual reversal from here on, then you can see the price here maybe was making this rising wedge. This was a retest, and if this rejection is going to stay there and price is also going to close below these moving averages which I just showed you, for example this 21 exponential moving average and 50 exponential, then we are going to focus on this price level here to the downside where this monthly S1 area is. But for now, this rejection doesn't mean the price is going to reverse from here on, guys. This is absolutely normal. Why? Because you can see here, yesterday I showed you with this bump and run reversal, which was also pointing out that after breaking out of this previous temporary resistance line, right? This here was a very strong resistance line. We broke out of it, we came back to retest it. So now this price movement should be also making a movement here in this manner. And I also showed you this one single example, and according to this example, you can see we did see some pullback, but price still managed to make this higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern. This higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern is very, very important, because we can see here when the trend was heading in a downward direction, this process was lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern. And now you can see this is exactly what we also talked in my yesterday video. I said, you guys, I'm actually expecting more of a higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern and price heading in an upper direction. So this is why I'm saying you, this price pullback should not bother us that much, because we can still make this higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern following for Bitcoin in upcoming days. So that's why I personally am still going to look in an upward price movement for Bitcoin in an upcoming days. But if this support line here, right, if this support line is not going to hold the price along with these moving averages, then only we will be focusing more on it downward price target here to the S1 level. So that's why, guys, I will be focusing more on an upward price movement for Bitcoin in upcoming days. Any sort of a shakeout in a market like this is absolutely normal, guys. So now let's also have a quick look at Ethereum price action. And if you have been following me for a while now, you can see, guys, we did talk about these different scenarios that was playing out for Ethereum on a daily time frame. I said, you guys, doesn't matter whichever scenario you look like, either if it's a double bottom, symmetry triangle, or this ascending broadening wedge, all these three price target in a daily time frame has been triggered. And congratulations to each and every one of you who have been following me on this price movement here. For now, Ether still looks bullish because the RSI is clearly over 50 level, and this is still a bullish MACD cross. For that, what I'm actually going to show you is this price action in a 4-hour time frame, because in 4-hour time frame we did talk about this scenario as well. I said, you guys, since the price of Ether was following this rising channel or ascending channel, which previously acted as a strong resistance, the upper line, lower line acted as a strong support, you can see here, right? And since the price of Ether has broken out of it and also came back to retest it, it is potentially going to see some impulsive movement, and that is what we are witnessing with price action of Ether. So for me right now, where I will be focusing around is this Fibonacci price target level from my previous video. You can see here, first one has been triggered, second one has also been triggered. So congratulations to each and every one of you. And also now we will be focusing around this 1.618 Fibonacci extension level that is sitting around 3082 price level for Ethereum. And if this is also going to get broken, right, the price of Ether is also going to see impulsive move and start moving in upper direction, the second price target here is going to be this 200 Fibonacci extension level, and that is around 3,328 for Ethereum. So any sort of a price movement or this price pullback, this line here, 1.272 Fibonacci extension level is going to be a strong support, and that can be seen here. And even if this is going to fail, right, and price is going to see a pullback, we know this trend line, the upper line of this ascending channel, which previously acted as a resistance, is going to be a strong support around this 2,700 price level. And I will be focusing around price movement in this manner for Ethereum. I mean, if you look at this price structure here in a 4-hour time frame, we are following this ascending channel here, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern, and this is absolutely fine, even if we are going to see some sort of small pullback, right? Because this is clearly a higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern, and it's showing the price could see some impulsive move in an upcoming days. And also, guys, let me make you aware, BYBIT right now is providing around $1,610 deposit bash bonus, and this one is for limited time only. The only thing you have to do is sign up using my ref link down below. The sign up process would take you only 2 or 3 minutes of your time, and if you already have a BYBIT account and you want to claim this bonus one more time, then you have to create a new email address and follow this process one by one. Let me show you very quickly. After signing up, just go to promotion and click on the latest promotion, $1,610 reward up for grabs. Click on this. Here's how you can claim your bonus: $1,010 bonus for new users in the deposit bonus bash page, up to $100 in reward hub, and 500 worth of bonus are available in the referral program. Click on this deposit bonus bash, scroll downside, then you will see the reward table, how you can claim your bonuses, the rules and terms, and just click on join now. That's it, guys. So these are some of the scenarios I thought sharing with you in today's episode. And once again, guys, thank you so much for making this 50,000 subscribers possible in short time period. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.